Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi, everyone. I am Leo, and I am ready to learn with you today.
Today, we will talk about the morning routine in simple English.
We will use easy words, short sentences, and clear pronunciation.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want daily English practice.
I will ask simple questions, and I will answer with short sentences.
I will teach new words and show how to use them in real life.
I will repeat the words so you can repeat with me at home.
Let's start with greetings because we speak them every morning.
Good morning is a friendly greeting we say at the start of the day.
Good morning, Leo. It is nice to see you today.
Good morning, Anna. I am happy to learn English today.
Now we will learn the key words for a morning routine.
The key words are wake up, get up, stretch, and yawn.
More words are brush teeth, wash face, and take a shower.
More words are get dressed, make the bed, and open the window.
We will also learn eat breakfast, drink coffee, and drink tea.
We will also learn check the time, pack the bag, and go to work.
We will learn go to school, catch the bus, and leave home.
We will learn simple sentences to use these words every day.
I will start with wake up and get up in clear sentences.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
I get up at 7:10 because I like to stretch first.
I stretch my arms and I take a deep breath.
I yawn and I smile because I am ready for a new day.
I open the window and I let fresh air come in.
I make my bed because I like a clean room.
I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes every morning.
I wash my face with water and I feel fresh.
I take a shower when I have time in the morning.
I dry my hair with a towel and I feel warm.
I get dressed with clean clothes for the day.
I wear a t-shirt, pants, socks, and shoes.
I check the time on my phone or on a clock.
I go to the kitchen to make breakfast.
I eat breakfast to start my day with energy.
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast.
I drink coffee with milk in the morning.
I drink water or juice when I do not drink coffee.
I put a plate, a cup, and a spoon on the table.
I sit at the table and I eat slowly.
I enjoy my food and I think about my day.
I check my schedule and I plan my morning.
I pack my bag with my notebook and my pen.
I put my phone, my keys, and my wallet in my bag.
I put a bottle of water in my bag for the day.
I put a small snack in my bag for later.
I put on my jacket if the weather is cold.
I check the weather and I choose my clothes.
I turn off the lights and I close the door.
I say goodbye to my family before I leave home.
I leave home and I walk to the bus stop.
I catch the bus and I sit near the window.
I listen to a short English podcast on the bus.
I repeat words quietly to practice speaking.
I arrive at work and I say good morning to my team.
I arrive at school and I say good morning to my class.
Now we will repeat the routine with very short lines.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
I get up and I make my bed.
I brush my teeth and I wash my face.
I take a shower and I get dressed.
I eat breakfast and I drink coffee.
I pack my bag and I check the time.
I leave home and I catch the bus.
I arrive at work and I start my day.
I arrive at school and I start my classes.
Now we will add time words to the routine.
I wake up at 6:30 on Monday and Tuesday.
I wake up at 7 on Wednesday and Thursday.
I wake up at 7:30 on Friday and Saturday.
I wake up at 8 on Sunday because I rest more.
I eat breakfast at 7:15 on a normal day.
I leave home at 7:45 to arrive on time.
I start work at 8:30 and I feel ready.
I start school at 8 o'clock and I feel focused.
Now we will learn question and answer patterns.
What time do you wake up on weekdays?
I wake up at 7 o'clock on weekdays.
What do you eat for breakfast every morning?
I eat bread and eggs for breakfast every morning.
What do you drink with breakfast every day?
I drink coffee with milk every day.
Do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, I make my bed every morning.
Do you brush your teeth before breakfast?
No, I brush my teeth after breakfast.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I take a shower in the morning on work days.
How do you go to work or school?
I go to school by bus and I go to work by train.
Now we will practice verbs for the morning routine.
The verbs are wake up, get up, brush, wash, and shower.
More verbs are dress, eat, drink, pack, and leave.
More verbs are check, open, close, and catch.
I will say a verb and a short sentence with it.
I wake up early to have a calm morning.
I get up slowly and I breathe deeply.
I brush my teeth after I eat breakfast.
I wash my face with cold water.
I take a shower when I need more energy.
I get dressed and I choose simple clothes.
I eat breakfast and I enjoy my food.
I drink water before I drink coffee.
I pack my bag with things I need.
I leave home at a regular time every day.
I check the time so I do not arrive late.
I open the window to let in light and air.
I close the door and I lock it with my key.
I catch the bus and I stand if it is full.
I catch the train when I need to go far.
Now we will learn useful nouns for the morning.
Useful nouns are alarm, bed, pillow, blanket, and towel.
More nouns are sink, mirror, toothbrush, toothpaste, and soap.
More nouns are cup, plate, bowl, spoon, and fork.
More nouns are bag, wallet, keys, phone, and jacket.
More nouns are bus, train, ticket, stop, and station.
I will make short sentences with these nouns.
My alarm rings and I open my eyes.
I put my pillow and my blanket on the bed.
I take a towel and I go to the bathroom.
I stand at the sink and I look in the mirror.
I put toothpaste on my toothbrush.
I use soap and I wash my hands well.
I take a cup and I pour coffee.
I put eggs on a plate and I sit down.
I eat cereal in a bowl with a spoon.
I put my wallet, keys, and phone in my bag.
I put on my jacket when it is cold.
I walk to the bus stop near my home.
I buy a ticket at the station when I need one.
Now we will practice short dialogues for real life.
Good morning, Anna. What time do you wake up?
Good morning, Leo. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast on weekdays?
I eat toast and eggs on weekdays.
What do you drink with breakfast every day?
I drink coffee with milk every day.
Do you make your bed before breakfast?
Yes, I make my bed before breakfast.
Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I take a shower in the morning before work.
How do you go to work during the week?
I go to work by bus during the week.
What time do you leave home for work?
I leave home at 7:45 for work.
Now we will practice pronunciation with simple words.
Repeat wake, get, brush, wash, and shower.
Repeat dress, eat, drink, pack, and leave.
Repeat window, door, table, chair, and bed.
Repeat coffee, tea, water, juice, and milk.
Repeat bus, train, ticket, stop, and station.
Repeat clock, watch, phone, keys, and wallet.
Now we will build longer but simple sentences.
I wake up at 7 and I get up at 7:10.
I brush my teeth and I wash my face after I wake up.
I take a shower and I get dressed before breakfast.
I eat bread and eggs, and I drink coffee at the table.
I pack my bag and I check the time on my phone.
I put my wallet, keys, and phone in my bag.
I leave home at 7:45 and I catch the bus.
I arrive at work at 8:30, and I start my day.
Now we will compare two different mornings.
On a busy morning, I wake up early and move fast.
On a calm morning, I wake up later and move slowly.
On a busy morning, I eat a quick breakfast.
On a calm morning, I cook eggs and make coffee.
On a busy morning, I leave home right away.
On a calm morning, I read a page of a book.
Now we will practice yes or no questions.
Do you wake up with an alarm every day?
Yes, I wake up with an alarm every day.
Do you drink coffee before breakfast?
No, I drink coffee with breakfast.
Do you make your bed every morning?
Yes, I make my bed every morning.
Do you go to work by car or by bus?
I go to work by bus on most days.
Do you check the weather in the morning?
Yes, I check the weather before I get dressed.
Now we will add numbers to the routine.
I wake up at 6:30 on Monday and Tuesday.
I drink 2 cups of water after I wake up.
I eat 1 egg and 1 slice of bread.
I read 5 pages of a book in the morning.
I leave home at 7:45 on weekdays.
I arrive at school at 8:15 on school days.
I start work at 8:30 in the morning.
I take the bus number 20 to my school.
Now we will practice small talk for the morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
I am fine, Leo. Thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. I slept well.
That is great. I hope you have a good day.
Thank you. I wish you a good day too.
Now we will practice short commands for the routine.
Set the alarm and turn off the light.
Make the bed and open the window.
Brush your teeth and wash your face.
Take a shower and dry your hair.
Get dressed and put on your shoes.
Prepare breakfast and pour your coffee.
Pack your bag and check the time.
Lock the door and catch the bus.
Now we will review the full morning routine.
I wake up, get up, and make my bed.
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
I take a shower and I get dressed.
I eat breakfast and I drink coffee.
I pack my bag and I check the time.
I leave home and I catch the bus.
I arrive at work and I start my tasks.
I feel ready for the day and I focus.
Now we will finish with a short summary.
The morning routine uses simple actions every day.
We learned verbs, nouns, and common phrases for mornings.
We practice time, questions, and clear sentences.
You can repeat this lesson every day to improve.
You can write your own morning routine with these words.
Thank you for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Thank you for learning with us and practicing your English.
Have a good morning and a great day ahead.
See you next time and keep speaking simple English.